G'day guys, what's cracking? To Aussie and Liz here again. So we're off to Domino's today, and what were you getting again?
Avocado vegan pizza.
Yes, avocado vegan pizza. And I am going to try this new pizza. There's a new range at Domino's. It's called a Korean barbecue steak. And we'll do a little review on it, and we'll actually do a little mukbang, because mukbang is a Korean term, and we're having a apparently Korean pizza. Probably not what the Koreans would really make, but it's called that, Korean barbecue steak. So guys, we're going to duck in and get it, and then we're going to go and find somewhere to eat it, and we'll get back to you and do a little review and a little bit of a mukbang. See you soon.
Hey guys, we got our pizzas. I got my extra large vegan avocado. I'm very excited. You got your regular large size Korean steak that you're excited about?
Yes, I am. I'm so excited. But the other thing too is, guys, I think that we asked for one extra large. They've got this new thing where you pay an extra $3 and you can get an extra large pizza rather than the standard large. And I think they've actually given us two of the extra large and not charged us for us. So let's go and eat it and find out, and we'll see what they taste like. Guys, we're sitting in the park here. We've got our pizzas. We haven't opened them yet, but I have a feeling they've given us two large ones, like extra large, but we only asked for one because we wanted to see the difference on the $3 extra. So anyway, we're just unboxing them now. Nice unboxing video, eh, Liz?
Yes, it is, and I think that's mine.
That's yours, and that's the vegan one. That's your one.
Oh, thank you.
And this is the one we've all been waiting for. Well, I know I have, like for about 5 hours now. I'm starving.
It looks the same size.
Korean barbecue steak, and it looks like an extra large, as Liz just said. Look at that, guys. Fantastic. So let's give it a go and see what it tastes like. We'll taste what it tastes like.
I might take some photos.
So, before I eat or after?
Oh, you can take one. It's alright.
Thanks, because I'm so hungry. So barbecue Korean steak. Let's see how it goes.
I'll take a photo of that. Is that any good?
Not bad. It's pretty good. Quite like it. I've said in the past in other videos, guys, that I'm not big on barbecue sauce, but I don't mind it. I just prefer tomato, but this is barbecue sauce and it's quite good. So it tastes pretty good. Got red onion, steak, barbecue sauce, shallots, and I think it's got sesame seeds, which I don't know why that's a thing, but anyway, sesame seeds, and I think that's about it, and a bit of cheese. It's quite nice. We've got a deep pan one.
Mine seems to have a lot of avocado on it, which is nice.
Mm.
A lot of onion, a lot of capsicum, vegan cheese.
So guys,
Green capsicum, red capsicum, mushroom, and olives. It's really nice.
so I wasn't planning on an extra large one, guys, but I've given it to us by mistake because, as you know from if you watch a lot of my other videos, they don't seem to be able to get things right in these places. But good thing is we didn't pay the extra $3. So we got two large pizzas when we or extra large when we only asked for one, because we wanted to see the difference in the sizes. And we were actually going to make this one the extra large one and this one just the large. But plenty to eat now, so I can eat half of it and take the rest home for dinner, and you can too. We can eat it for dinner later on. Hey, you never know, we can make another video. No, we won't.
With the same pizza. Eating it cold.
So guys, what I want to do, I'm going to put in the title, review, because we are sort of reviewing this thing. And so far so good, I quite like it. I'll give it a thumbs up. It's really nice. Leave a comment, tell us what you think of it, like whether you try it. Like I said earlier, I don't think it's actually what Koreans would make, but it's, you know, it's a gimmick, so it's quite tasty and something new. But also I wanted to call it a mukbang because I'm eating a pizza that's supposed to be a Korean pizza, and mukbang is a Korean term. So it's becoming a mukbang now, guys. And it'll probably be the longest video we've ever made, but that's okay. So how's your day been, Liz? When you finish that mouthful.
My day's had a really slow start. I didn't wake up till 10 a.m, which is almost unheard of for me.
Yeah, you're an early bird.
So I have 3 cats. Normally want to be fed at the crack of dawn, and they were all asleep. So I'm feeling a bit behind schedule, but it's a nice day, having nice food in the park. Can't complain. It's a weekend, Saturday afternoon in the park. Perfect.
So with these guys, this is like called Korean barbecue steak. This is part of the new range. There's about 4 pizzas, and I may do more of them, but they're all steak pizzas. One is a Philly steak, which has been out for a little while, but they've included that in the range. Hasn't been out too long. I've tried that before. It's pretty good. But also there's one that's just a barbecue steak, which is similar to this, but it's got a few different ingredients on it, so it's not called Korean. And I think the other one was chipotle, which my mate Romeo's eating channel will probably correct me on that because I don't know how to say it. But yeah, I'm going to try them all. The chipotle one I might try because earlier we did one that was to do with Hungry Jack's, which is in some people's countries is Burger King. That's our Burger King here is Hungry Jack's. They had a chipotle burger, and I wasn't that mad about it, so might see if a pizza tastes any better. So that's another idea we can try. So guys, if you want to make any comments on the video, let us know what you think. It's a great place here. You can probably hear the birds chirping every time we make it. We've made a few videos here. Every time we make a video here, we have all this chirping. I hope that doesn't block us, that noise. It probably won't.
I don't know how to stop it, sorry. I'm not great with phones. Don't even know how to turn the phone off.
So that just all fell off and went all over me. Actually guys, getting back to my mate Romeo's eating channel, look him up. Actually he's changed the name. Oh shit, I forgot. But anyway, look up, I think it's Romeo's family channel or something like that. Look him up, you'll see him on my comments anyway. Look him up. He's got a great little channel going there, trying to get his family in there, so if you can make comments on his videos and encourage his family, it might be good to see them get into it too, because he's doing a really good job. So yeah, he doesn't seem to like takeaway stuff much, but he likes it when I cook things, so that's good. He likes my videos.
You have to do more cooking. He's a good cook.
I need more ideas. I've got no ideas. We've got galahs here, we've got pigeons, we've got magpies, we've got everything in this park.
Lorikeets.
Lorikeets. They're everywhere.
Beautiful park.
It is. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon here. About 29 degrees. Beautiful. Sitting in the shade.
29 in the shade.
Yep.
It's quite hot. But I like it. It's freezing here in winter making a video. Wind gusts. Snows here sometimes. That could be a fun video. Eating in the snow.
We'll do that. When it snows, we'll come and have a pizza in the snow. That's a long way off yet, guys. It's still the middle of summer here, and we're really enjoying being warm.
Mm-hmm.
It does get quite cold here, even though it's Australia. This area of the world, of Australia, it gets a bit cold.
Very
sorry.
cold.
Mm. So I'm really impressed with this mistake. Even though these people have made a few mistakes and stuffed up my orders lately, the last two has actually worked out in our favour, where we've got more than we were supposed to pay for. Well, the price has been wrong anyway, and in our favour, because when we did the Hungry Jack's one, even though I wasn't mad about what I had, and I got something for free from the app, some offer, and then also she got the order wrong in price, so we paid less than we should have. So
Yeah, we did.
that one actually didn't work out too bad, even though it was expensive. It wasn't as expensive as we thought. Should give you guys a close up, see if I can get a thumbnail out of this. There it is, guys. Beautiful pizza. Korean. It's all about the mukbang. Barbecue sauce, steak, onion, shallots, and sesame seeds. Sesame seeds must be used a lot in Korea.
I think they are. I've been to a Korean restaurant.
We'll do that one day. Will get some Korean food and we'll sit somewhere, or maybe in a restaurant, and we'll do it.
We went once to
do
a Korean.
Well, we'll go that one at Katoomba.
In case anyone is vegan or is interested, this is mine. Oops. So lots of nice colours on mine. Reds and greens, avocado, capsicum, red and green, mushrooms, olives, and vegan cheese, red onion. I think it's very pretty. It's a pretty pizza.
You're doing quite well there.
I know. Unfortunately, I'm a bit of a big eater. It's embarrassing sometimes.
It's probably because I'm talking so much I can't eat.
I probably won't have dinner tonight though.
No. You'll be still
This will
full.
be lunch and dinner. Probably won't eat till tomorrow now.
Even though I don't mind that pizza, I really do like the base too. It's quite nice. Just in between. I know a lot of people like really thin crust. I don't find that appealing, but I like in between. Not too thick, not too thin. It's quite nice.
Yeah, I don't like the thin ones much. I prefer the thicker ones.
And we got some Mountain
Mountain
Dew
Dew.
just to drink along. Normally I don't drink when I eat, but it's quite hot today. And we've even got Dominos cups. One time we did a big order and they gave us a couple of cups, so that's always good. We keep them handy in case we come to the park to eat something. Only problem is we don't have serviettes, but this isn't too messy so far.
I got water to wash my hands. I'm getting a lot of tomato sauce on this. I'm getting a little bit full now.
Me too. Guys, I might end the video there. We've had a really great lunch here, just sitting in the park. These bloody birds are getting a bit noisy. Well, that's okay. It just comes out on the video a lot, that's the problem. So, guys, I'll give you a big barbecue sauce thumbs up. It's all over my thumb. And I hope you enjoyed the video, a little bit of a mukbang review type thing. And stay tuned for the next one. And remember, guys, ready? You can, no, you're not ready.
I'm ready.
Ready? You can never be too Aussie.
Can never be too Aussie.
Hooroo.
Hooroo.